Unbelievable story. Fox Weather is your Hurricane HQ. Confidence is growing that a more active, a more above average Atlantic hurricane season is expected to play out. The season starts a week from tomorrow on June 1st. NOAA releasing its outlook Thursday, expecting 13 to 19 storms to form in 2025, 6 to 10 which could become hurricanes, and 3 to 5 of which will potentially reach Category 3 status or stronger. Again, not set in stone. Those are just projections. But as of right now, this is what the Atlantic basin looks like, and all is clear. No tropical development likely over the next 7 days. That's because the season hasn't started yet in the Atlantic. Now, in the Pacific, it started in the middle of the month, in May 15th, and, well, there's already an area to watch right off the coast of Central America. It's right here. It's a cluster of thunderstorms, and we do anticipate it to get a little bit better organized. In fact, some new numbers coming in from the National Hurricane Center showing that now there's an 80% chance for development, up from a 70% chance at last check. So it's looking more and more likely that this thing is going to come together, likely by Wednesday of this next week. So after Memorial Day into midweek next week, somewhere in this red oval is where we anticipate this to become a tropical depression. And if it does become a tropical depression, it would take on the name Alvin. That's the first name in the Eastern Pacific hurricane list, or the tropical storm list. So that's your likely development area, and you can see why. That's where the water is plenty warm for tropical development. Now, obviously, the cooler colors here mean that, well, temperatures are going to be a little too cool to sustain any kind of tropical storms. And that's why, if Alvin forms, it would likely do so in this region, and it would eventually move that way, maybe making a run for the Baja. But once it heads into these much, much cooler waters, it would fizzle very, very quickly. So as we track the low-level spin, you'll notice this right here come Tuesday, and you're probably thinking, well, what is that? Boom. Wednesday, right on track with what many of the forecast models are suggesting. Alvin could form. There's the Baja right there. And so as soon as it gets to this region there on Saturday, it kind of falls apart as it's immediately getting into much, much cooler waters. And that's a pretty sharp gradient, right? It goes from pretty warm to fairly cool in the 70s and maybe even the 60s fairly quickly. And so that's good news for the Baja. And of course, that would kick off the very first named storm of the Pacific season. Now, getting back into the Atlantic, I mentioned that the hurricane season starts on June 1st, and typically, historically speaking, the average first A named storm comes June 20th. So we'll see how that plays out